Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are talking about how can we change our voice on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open TikTok, and here is for you option, as you can see guys. So after that you have to tap on this plus icon. So firstly you have to check if it's updated or not. So you have to update your TikTok first, and then you have to do these steps like this, as you can see guys. So you have to record the video from here. Just simply tap on this yes icon. As you can see guys, it's showing here audio editing. So TikTok has given some voices here, as you can see guys. So in future maybe they will add some voice. So as you can see guys, here is some voices. So you have to add these voices at a time. So let me show you here. This is none. As you can see guys, so you have to record the video from here. Let me show you here again.
Like this. As you can see guys, so you have to record the video from here.
So you have to put the voices from here and just simply tap on save. Tap on save, and after that your video will be saved with the changed voice. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.